Welcome back. Continuing on from our last episode about meditative hacks, I wanted to share another hack for meditation and spirituality in general, which might be surprising. Now this comes from Psychology Today, citing another paper authored by Ruben Naiman of the Center of Integrative Medicine, Arizona. We are at least as dream deprived as we are sleep deprived, a silent epidemic of REM sleep deprivation. In our modern lives, it's not surprised that we're all a little bit dream deprived, right? Because we stay up late, we watch TV, maybe we're meditating late. If we have somehow an opportunity to get a little more sleep in the night, then we have a better chance of dreaming. And why would you want to dream when you sleep? Listen to this. On a psychological level, REM sleep and dreaming are often cited as functional in emotion regulation. Here's another good reason. Physically, REM sleep loss is associated with increased inflammatory responses and risks. Now here's the part which is fascinating from this study done in Arizona. REM dreaming is a deconstructive force that challenges our consensual view of reality. So your friends say this, news says this, other people say this at work, and then you dream something. And that dream turns everything around and lets you see life in a different way. Dream eyes transcend waking egoic perspectives, opening us to greater social and spiritual consciousness and revealing a numinous world behind the world. Wow! Amazing! I wasn't expecting to read something so profound and so deep, especially just about dreaming. So dreaming is a natural process that challenges our everyday reality and gives us that storybook mirror to look in, to look on ourselves and our lives and everything in them from a different and Alice in Wonderland perspective. Don't forget to get enough sleep so you can dream and challenge the world. Challenge everything you think you know. Pretty amazing, right? So I hope this was valuable to you as it was for me. Hit subscribe to come back later for more yogic meditative tips, techniques, and trainings.